Imagine waking up and hearing a T-Rex roar instead of your alarm clock. Because in this world, dinosaurs never went extinct. Forget cars. You ride a Triceratops to school. Traffic? Blame the guy whose Brachiosaurus blocked the highway again. Zoos? Nope. They keep humans in cages for safety. Cities are built on cliffs, high above raptor territory. You drop your phone, it's gone. The velociraptors own it now. Fast food chains? They serve insect burgers. Because cows, extinct. And forget flying in planes. There's a pterodactyl no-fly zone over every continent. Would we rule the Earth, or just be another snack with a smartphone?